Let's prepare the ingredients. Cut chicken breast into cubes. Crack in 1 egg. Just a pinch of salt. Dash of pepper powder. Tiny bit of soy sauce. Tiny bit of sesame oil. Roughly 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then roughly 1½ tablespoon of AP flour, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Add cold water, a little at a time, till the right consistency. Let's fry the chicken. Pan fry, deep fry or even air fry the chicken till golden brown. Set aside for later use. 1 tsp minced garlic. 1 piece chopped chili. 1 stem curry leaves. Old school way of opening a can. A third bowl of evaporated milk. Just agak. A half tsp salt, a half tsp sugar, dash of pepper powder, a half tsp chicken stock powder. Let's start cooking. Drizzle of oil plus butter. Add in minced garlic, chopped chili, and curry leaves. Sauté till fragrant. Pour in seasoned evaporated milk. Stir till it thickens up. Lastly, add in the fried chicken meat. Coat it well and it's done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.